Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the antutu benchmark test results between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Redmi K40, so which is also called as the Poco F3 device. So we'll get to know, friends, in terms of the antutu benchmark comparison. So Dimensity 1000 plus processor versus the Snapdragon 870 processor. So let me try to show you the specifications. So here you can see the specifications as well. So Snapdragon 870. So the Redmi K40, which is exactly the rebranded version of the Poco F3 device, so which is going to get launched very soon, as you can see. So Poco F3 and this Redmi K40, they both are going to be kind of similar in terms of the specifications. So that's why I'll be definitely a couple of times I'll be mentioning even the Poco X3 as well. So next, let's compare the antutu benchmark test, and this is the first time I'm doing the antutu benchmark test in this phone. I did not do it before, so I did not install much applications at the moment, so this is a very good chance to test the antutu benchmark test right now. So let me show you another thing. I'm trying to use the 120 Hz refresh rate during this time of testing. So let me try to show you the options. 120 Hz and 120 Hz is on during this time of testing, so if you do care what type of refresh rate I'm using. So it is an antutu benchmark test, friends, and which I'm trying to do for the first time in this phone. So let me try to start doing, and it is a Redmi K40 which also called as the Poco F3. So let me try to start the test here. So let's see, friends, what score we'll be getting in both the phones. Let me even try to show you how much brightness I'm using. So let me try to decrease the brightness to maybe 70%. So let me keep it to 50%. So I'll try to keep the brightness to the 50%, as you can see in this phone. So in this Redmi K40, the brightness is set to the 50%. Even same thing I'm gonna do even in this Realme X8 Pro, 50%. So both phones, they're having the 50% of the brightness, and I did use a 120 Hz refresh rate and Snapdragon 870 versus the Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So this will be the perfect comparison. So how much score we can expect in terms of the performance, how much difference we can expect. So even this is the first time I'm using the Snapdragon 870 processor phone, friends, so this will be even new for me as well. So let's see which phone will be completing faster and which phone will be getting very good results. And let me try to check the temperature. I forgot to check the temperature. 34 degrees, 35 degrees, 36, 36, 35. So 35 on the Realme phone and 36 on this Redmi K40 on the Poco F3 device. So let's see, friends, again I'll be back once the test has been successfully completed, so we'll get to know what results are. As you can see here, friends, after the antutu benchmark test has been completed, the Redmi K40, so which is a Poco F3, which scored about 6 lakhs of antutu benchmark score, and on the Realme X8 Pro, which scored about 5 lakhs 23,000. So definitely, friends, the Snapdragon 870 processor is really very powerful than the expected results. So I did not expect this much of difference. So overall, there's a difference of close to 70,000 difference is there between the both the phones. So if the Poco F3 by chance, if we are lucky, if the Poco F3 is getting launched below 25,000 or at least below 30,000, then definitely this Poco F3 is a very flagship killer mobile phone, friends. I'm just waiting for the price. So I'm not sure how much the pricing will be there, but I'll try to do my pricing, how much I got it for. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. But overall, this is a difference. Overall, both phones, they increased by exactly 7 degrees. So 7 degrees increased and 4% drop and 5% drop in this phone, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick comparison between both the phones, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. As I said, in the next upcoming days, every day I'll try to post more than close to 10 videos, and the next 10 days my target is to reach 100 videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those in-depth reviews as well. So thank you for watching, and meanwhile, if you have any queries, do comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to cover those topics as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.